you on the first page, what's your name, where do you stay, what's your postal address, your mobile number, your email address. Go on the second page, ask you about your medical history. Have you ever been hospitalized for such illnesses like diabetes and maybe other chronic diseases like cancer? It will also ask you on a question like, have you insured with another insurance company of the same thing? The proposal form on another page will ask you about your premium. How much are you going to pay? For how long? Are you paying 3,000 for 10 years? So you fill all those parts. And then the last part of the page is your declaration. You sign that you've issued or you've given true information. So when you are filling a proposal form, give the information fully and truthfully. As indicated there, they must observe the principle of utmost good faith when filling a proposal form. So that's it about a proposal form. You can check samples of proposal forms on our website. You can also check if you visit. By the way, as a way, because we are the youth, hatuna shida ya kuingia kwa website. You can check one of the insurance company that you like. You see some of the forms they have on their website. You just log in. You can make an inquiry or a quotation for a policy. So that's the start of a policy. You have filled the information. I'm able to pay 3,000 per month for my child's education for 10 years. The insurance company takes that form. You have given them your data, your information. So when you have observed the principle of utmost good faith, the insurance company will take that proposal form, do what you call underwriting. Underwriting is checking that everything that you say, or the insurance company is trying to gauge whether they are able to cover you or not. Because it's not a must for the insurance company to give you a policy, a cover. If they see you that you are too risky, if you say in the proposal form, I'm engaging in sports, it's called bike racing. Bike racing is like the piki bike racing. You see, that one is a risk person. So you cannot take, if the insurance company feels that this person is too risky for us, they may reject the claim, then the proposal for you to be covered. So fill the proposal form. The next step is insurance company will accept that you want to cover so and so. You want to cover Victor, you want to cover someone by the name Moses. They give you what you call a policy document, the part now that we are in. That's the second phase. So you've taken a policy, fill the form. What the insurance company will do, they'll process the information that you have given them. Then when you pay the first premium, premium is the money that you pay to the insurance company to get a cover. When you pay that premium, the policy is issued to you. A policy document is it's not a contract, but it's issued as a written evidence of an existing contract. So, how many say they have at least one policy? Insurance. Who has any? Personal accident, motor vehicle? Anyone has? No one has insurance in this class. Apart from NHIF, because NHIF is mandatory and it's also a social insurance. It is not it's not insurance, it's almost a must that you must have. It's a social insurance as given by NHIF itself. So, well, even if there is no one having the insurance at the moment, make sure after filling the proposal form, now that we are getting knowledge and we are exposing ourselves to insurance knowledge, don't give the proposal form without having a copy for yourself. Because you have given information. You want to check the information that you gave out to the company if it matches with what the company is giving you as a policy document. So the insurance company will give you a policy document, which will be like the contract between you and the insurance company. Parts of the policy document. A document will be a booklet, almost this size, but it will have parts. The information that you gave on the proposal form is converted by the company to become a policy document. So it's important that when you take insurance, insurance company must give you a policy document. It will have these parts, the heading, which will show the name and address of the insurance company or the insurer. There is the pre-bond clause. It introduces the policy and says that the proposal is the basis of the insurance contract. Operative clause, it gives a detailed account of the actual perils. Perils are like the risks that are covered under the contract and states what type of losses the insurer undertakes to pay. There is a part on exclusions. Exclusions is what is not covered. When you take insurance, not everything is covered.
Yeah.
Sawa sawa? Tafadhali tujue hivyo. Ukichukua insurance ya kifo, si kifo zote. Not all deaths, not all causes of death are covered, you know? Like for example, I mentioned earlier, if you die before the waiting period, the 6 months, if the cause of death is natural, it's not covered. That's what you call an exclusion. Is the cause of death is willful exposure to maybe drugs or suicide, majinyonga, they are not covered. If you have a personal accident, policy accident, it will have a part on exclusion which will say, in case accident is caused when you are intoxicated, you are drunk, for example, you will not be covered. Because insurance, you must play your part. You cannot take insurance, just go be reckless so that you get a claim. No, you have a responsibility on your part. So it will give exclusions. So that's why it's good I'm pointing out this one so that when you have your policy document, turn to the page showing exclusions to understand what I'm not covered for. I have a PA, personal accident, but in case I get an accident when I am drunk, will I be paid? In case I get an accident when I'm driving without a driving license, will I be paid? So those are the exclusions. Check that page of the policy document. Conditions refers to the actions that insured must take in order for you to get insurance. It's your duty as a policy holder to pay the premium. Let me say again, you have a policy for 10 years, or you have an insurance for your house. It's your duty to pay the premium. It's a condition for you to have insurance. So if you stop paying premium, you are losing insurance because now you are not fulfilling one of the conditions. So part of your duties is to pay premium, inform insurance company in case there is an accident or there is a loss, give information fully, the things that you must play for you to enjoy the cover. There is a part on policy schedule. In that document, there is a part called policy schedule. This is what captures details of your policy. Capture your age, capture the sum assured. Sum assured is the amount the insurance company will pay you in case of a loss. You capture maybe the beneficiaries, capture the limits, the policy number. When you have a policy, you are given that number. Our policy must have a policy number. You also capture the nature of business that is proposed for insurance, the term which you are calling here the period of insurance. Are you taking insurance for 1 year? Is it 10 years? So it captures all the details of your policy. The next part on the policy document is the signature and attestation clause. This will be the part that the principal officer of the company will sign. The principal officer is the CEO of the company. So on the policy document must be signed by the principal officer of that insurance company. So there's a parting shot there, which I want all of you to note. It's important to read and understand the contents of the policy documents. Sijui kama tunaweza soma. Kwa Kiswahili tukisema nini? Ni muhimu kusoma na kuelewa. Ile kwenye yaliyonukuliwa kwenye na policy documents. Well, this is a very important. If you forget everything about a policy document, Don't forget this one.
The reading
The reading.
and understanding.
Because you have taken insurance for your business, fire. How will you understand what is covered or not if you are not reading the document that you have? So, when you take that insurance for your business, when the insurance company issues you the document, they give you an opportunity of 30 days to read and understand. If you have an issue with it, or you are not satisfied, or it is contrary to what you had put in the proposal form, you have a chance to cancel that policy within 30 days and get a refund of the money you have paid as premium. So don't pay for what you don't know.